Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. I have here on the table a lot of some really nice parts, different things, miscellaneous actually. Customers sent it in for us to clean these up and show him how nice we can make this, so please stay tuned. We'll bring you back the results. I'm back after blasting a few of these parts. We've blasted this one and this one also in the glass bead. Using a very fine abrasive, the water cushions the abrasive against the surface, so as you can see, it's able to remove all of this crud and grime off of the parts. We're going to finish up the rest of these parts and we'll be back.